Welcome to Samsung T7 Shield Review. Samsung claims write speeds up to 1000 megabytes per second, and it has water and dust resistance. This comes with 3 years warranty. T7 Shield also has 3 meters drop resistance. Let's open it. Here we have the blue color one, and this one has a rubberized finish. We have USB Type-C port that supports up to 10 Gbps data bandwidth.
Inside the box, we have 2 USB cables for connectivity, Type-C to A and Type-C to C. We also have an installation guide document. Here is the Type-C to Type-C cable and the Type-C to Type-A. Now let's do some speed test using Crystal Disk application. Sequential read speed is 1062 megabytes. And sequential write speed is 1003 megabytes. This is almost similar to what Samsung claims to be. Now let's do some real-world testing, copying some files. I am going to do 2 tests. First, I will copy a single large file about 4.6 gigabytes, and then I will copy around 100 files totaling 1.1 gigabyte. Let's see how the drive performs. Here is the single large file, and I will start a stopwatch when I do the copy. "14 seconds to copy a 4.5 gigabytes file. That's good. Now let's do multiple small files with total size of 1.1 gigabyte. The drive did it in under 6 seconds. Interesting. Ask your questions in the comments section. Thanks and see you.